you have a plumbing issue?
I call one tall plumber.
That's right.
Sam and I do the digital marketing for One Tom Plumber, and today we're going to show you how a plumber installs a garbage disposal. Interesting stuff, right? Well, first we have to actually pick up the garbage disposal. So I'm here at Wynn Nelson in Milford to pick up a Badger 1/3 horsepower, and then we're going to give it to Paul so he can install it. So stay tuned.
Paul with One Tom Plumber. We're in the middle of troubleshooting a garbage disposal we have here. The blades had become lodged at a certain point in time by an obstruction, whether it's like a chicken bone, a turkey bone, or broken glass or some other kind of foreign object. And when those blades get locked up, you know, with an obstruction, the motor keeps trying to push those blades, eventually to the point where it hits this internal reset, which is just a built-in circuit breaker on the garbage disposal, and oftentimes you can trip that reset and then you'll be able to salvage that motor. In this instance, every time we trip the reset, the motor continues to smoke. It just was overworked from being jammed up and the blades not being able to turn, so a lot of electrical energy was going to the motor and it didn't have anywhere to escape to. So for this instance, I would recommend replacing the entire unit. We put Badger 1/3 horsepower disposals in. They come with a 1-year warranty. So we have completed our troubleshooting and diagnostics of this garbage disposal we have here, and we have determined that an entire replacement would be the best fix to what we got. We want to make sure that our electric is off at the panel and our electric is also off at the switch before we start working on anything here. The first thing we're going to do is drop this whole unit down. If there is a dishwasher connected, that's the first place I kind of like to start. Go ahead and just get that hose clamp off, and then your dishwasher discharge line should be disconnected, and then I'm gonna remove the trap. And this whole unit shifts out counterclockwise, and there's little holes here. You can slide a screwdriver in. So need my flathead in here, and you hear it kind of pop off track, and then you can continue to unscrew the rest of the way by hand. Right, now we've double checked to make sure our breaker panel's off, our switch is off, and we made sure that our hot stick's not picking up anything through this insulated wire. We're going to go ahead and unwire the old disposal. So with the removal of the old unit, we're going to go ahead and replace the mounting bracket as well. The new mounting bracket's provided with the new disposal, so we'll go ahead and get that new one stuck in before we get our new unit hung up. So with the installation of the new mounting bracket, we're going to prepare our new unit for installation, and this one does have a dishwasher, so it is important to knock out the plug on the discharge line for the dishwasher. So you can just take a screwdriver and a hammer. Make sure you get that little plug out. And there's your plug. And then we'll put this discharge line on, and then we'll be able to hang our garbage disposal up. And now we're going to go ahead and wire up the electric for our disposal. Take our little cover off, Phillips screwdriver, remove the plate, and it's pretty simple circuit we're closing here. It's just going to be black to black, white to white, and then bare wire to your ground. So now that we're all wired up, we're going to go ahead and install the new garbage disposal. Make sure we turn this collar all the way to the right. Once again, our screwdriver trick. using maybe some fun out there. And then we got a line of drain up. And then we can go ahead and test. Make sure you don't have any leaks. And make sure our electric works. And that's a garbage disposal installation.
Thanks for watching Paul install a garbage disposal. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos with One Tom Plumber. And follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, all the above at One Tom Plumber.
And I'm a homeowner.